4 characteristics of a woman that make a man fall in love. A person's appearance isn't everything in a relationship. Having a balance between physical attributes and character is ideal. A man usually falls in love because of the characteristics of a woman. There is no foolproof guide to make a man fall in love with you, but these 4 characteristics are likely to make a man fall in love. 1. Femininity. Most men love feminine women, women who are beautiful because they show off that they are a woman in a classy and flirty way. A feminine woman likes being a woman. Men like the contrast that women bring to a relationship. Everything that is exclusively feminine usually attracts and seduces men. 2. Beauty. This doesn't mean physical beauty, especially since that kind of beauty may not last. It is the beauty of your feelings, attitudes, gestures and character that make a man fall in love with you. Men observe the way a woman treats herself, other people, children and animals. A man notices her gentleness, intelligence and consideration for others. It is this kind of beauty that makes a man fall in love. Fondness, intelligence and sensitivity are among the most charming feminine characteristics for men. 3. Simplicity. Men generally don't fall in love with complicated or high-maintenance women. The complicated ones never say what they want. They act like a sphinx that the man has to decipher to know what she wants. The high-maintenance women appears to dislike everything. All a man wants is a simple woman with no complicated hairstyles, excessive makeup, confusing or over-the-top needs. No one really wants a lifelong partner like this. 4. Self-confidence. The woman can be charmingly feminine and yet be strong and self-confident. The woman does not have to be a beauty or have a perfect body, because what attracts still seems to be her attitude and confidence. Develop your own plans and life goals. Men don't only care about your physical looks, they also pay attention to your unique and attractive characteristics. So before cultivating a perfect body, try to be healthy, feminine, simple and confident. By being the best you will become irresistible to many men.